Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best pineapple cores in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Pineapple Core. Upgraded, reinforced, thicker blade, Nunis Premium Pineapple Core Remover, Black. Nunis has really upgraded the pineapple coring game. Learning from past models, the brand updated this version with a thicker blade and reinforced welding points for an incredibly sturdy tool. The sharp serrated blades bite into the fruit and twist to cut through it. In just a few twists, you can pull out a spiral of pineapple rings. With the press of a button, the handle pops off, and you can slip the pineapple right off. Cut up the fruit into chunks or rings, whichever you prefer. You can even use the hollow rand as a bowl or decoration at a cookout. Made of high-quality stainless steel, easy to use, easy to clean, and will last long. Easy to use, peels, cores, and slices an entire pineapple in seconds. Create one slice at a time, or cut up the whole fruit at once. Makes perfectly shaped rings, preserves shell intact to use as a bowl. Number 4. Sur-La Table Pineapple Corer and Slicer Yellow. If you love fresh pineapple like we do, this tool is a must-have. Our stainless steel pineapple slicer cores and slices a whole pineapple quickly, safely, and easily. Simply slice off the top of a fresh pineapple and twist the slicer onto the exposed fruit to create perfect pineapple rings. Easy to clean and store, the sharp, serrated stainless steel blade was designed to accommodate most pineapple sizes. Simply cut the crown of the pineapple off, center and press core down into flesh of the fruit, turning slowly to get it started. Cutting pineapple requires a sure grip. Fortunately, Sur-La Table's Pineapple Corer and Slicer has an ergonomic handle with a textured plastic grip, and the color is as vibrant as the fruit it cuts. Number 3. Oketo Good Grips Simple Pineapple Corer Slicer. Not all corers are made of steel. Plastic is another popular material and typically makes a more affordable tool. This plastic corer from OXO has a nice rubber grip and ratcheting handle to help twist and cut the pineapple inside. As a nice bonus, there are numbers on the side of the columns serving as a depth guide, so you can avoid cutting through the bottom of the pineapple if you want to use the rind for something. Cores and slices whole pineapples quickly and easily. Comfortable, non-slip knot ratchets to allow for continuous rotation without adjusting your grip. Measurement markings help prevent piercing the bottom of the shell. Parts separate for removing rings and easy cleaning. Lays flat in drawers for storage. Number 2. Tomorrow's Kitchen Stainless Steel Pineapple Corer, Slicer, and Wedger. Most pineapple corers create a spiral ring of fruit, so if you want chunks, you need to add an extra step and cut it up yourself. If you want to skip that step, Tomorrow's Kitchen has a handy pineapple slicer that comes with a wedger. The slicer will create the standard pineapple spiral, while the wedger cuts it up into triangular chunks. If at any time you change your mind and want rings, you can remove the wedger. The original pineapple slicer, made in the Netherlands. Cores and slices fresh pineapple in seconds. Push the quick release button on the handle to slide the pineapple rings off, or use the wedger to make pineapple chunks. Use the pineapple shell as a fruit salad bowl or for cocktails. Dishwasher safe. Number 1. Chocsila Pineapple Corer Stainless Steel Pineapple Corer Peeler Pineapple Cutter Fruit Tool Easy Kitchen Tool. Common pineapple corers on the market create a uniform connected spiral ring of fruit. But what if you want a whole ring or to control the thickness of the slices? This sturdy corer from Chocsila can help you do just that. Featuring double serrated blades, this corer cuts fruit away from the sides while simultaneously cutting it from the core. Pull it out and you'll find a cored cylinder of pineapple ready to slice. High quality. Chocsila Pineapple Corer is made of high-quality stainless steel, easy to use and easy to clean. Easy to use. Simple and convenient operation, just a few seconds, easy to take out the pulp. Enjoy fresh pineapple without a knife. Super efficient and labor-saving.